Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Mumbai Indians meet and greet. Fever FM, Radio Nasha and Radio 1 are very proud to be official radio partners to the Mumbai Indians, and we're part of hashtag One Family and are part of the Mumbai Indians Pulton. Joining us today are three prime members of Team MI who are representing our team in the Middle East. And this is phase 2 of the IPL. And I know that with our love and good wishes and passion, they're going to win all over again. My name is Rishi K. And on behalf of the Fever Network, let me welcome the Spin King Rahul Chahar, a man who's loved for his hairstyle and hairdo as much as he is for his incredible bowling. Now a member of the Team India T20 World Cup squad. Join me in cheering for Rahul. 1, 2, 3. Rahul! Come on, guys, you can do better than that. Then the South African with gloves of steel. Quinton de Kock, he drives terror into the hearts of opening bowlers. Such a safe pair of hands behind the stumps. Let's hear it for Quinny or Quinton. 1, 2, 3. Quinton! Please welcome the Western Australian who bowls at lightning speed, is one of the best fielders in the world, a lower order pinch hitter who's really known for his batting skills as well, the excellent Nathan Coulter-Nile. Let's hear it for Nathan. 1, 2, 3. Nathan! You'd like to know, all three of you, Quinny, Nathan, as well as Rahul, that these are the creme de la creme of radio listeners from around the country. These guys have gone through many rounds of radio contests, and finally we picked winners from Fever FM, Radio Nasha, Radio 1, cities across the country and the Western region, Ahmedabad, Pune, Mumbai City. So I'm going to just warm you guys up with a couple of questions, and then we'll get these guys to ask them their questions. राहुल, आपको और ईशान किशन को वर्ल्ड कप के स्क्वाड में शामिल किया गया है। बहुत बहुत बधाइयां। जाहिर सी बात है कि रोहित और जसप्रीत, हार्दिक और सूर्या को स्क्वाड में होना ही था। जब आप तक संदेश पहुंचाया गया कि आप इंडियन टीम में हैं, तो क्या फीलिंग्स थी, क्या भावनाएं थी? और उसका क्वेश्चन बी ये है कि सबसे पहले किसको बताया आपने, किसको कॉल किया?
एक्चुअली मैं ग्राउंड पे था उस टाइम, तो मुझे जो हमारा वो अंकुर है जो वो देख रहा था उस फोन पे, टीम अनाउंस हो रही थी, तो उसने मुझे बताया था। और फोन तो मैंने बाद में किया था प्रैक्टिस खत्म होने के बाद, बस वहीं पे एक्साइटेड था। फिर मैंने देखा कि दीपक भैया का है या नहीं, तो खुशी इतनी दिखी नहीं, बिकॉज मेरा अकेले का हुआ।
किसको सबसे पहले फोन किया आपने?
हाँ, सबसे पहले पापा को ही किया था प्रैक्टिस से।
क्या बात, बहुत खूब, बहुत खूब। Quinton, opening with Rohit Sharma, how's the understanding between the two of you? We missed Rohit on the park yesterday, but I'm sure he's going to be back very soon with you. And my part B of that question, also Quinny, is any word in Hindi that your wonderful teammates have taught you?
A couple. Well, first answer the first question is pretty easy batting with Ro. We both may know a few words out there. We understand each other. I think it's just a mutual understanding. So it's not rocket science when we bang out there, we're together out there as a partnership. And probably the easiest word is probably TK or TK.
All is well, TK. And all is well when the Mumbai Indians are winning. That's wonderful. Nathan, must be wonderful coming back to a venue, a hotel, a room, and the Mumbai Indians Players Lounge where you guys won last year. Describe what you're feeling, and do you think you can do 2 in a row, Nathan?
Yeah, definitely think we can do 2 in a row. We've got a team to do. We just need to get the wins on the board mid-table at the moment. A little bit like Groundhog Day coming here again. After last year, same room, same everything, but they look after us really well. So yeah, that's very comfortable.
That's a very Aussie way of putting it, Groundhog Day. It's also one of my favorite movies. All you guys, all you MI Pulton members should go and watch that movie. Okay, now we've got these hardworking winners who've gone through multiple rounds. Who are going to ask questions. I will ask each person. You will then switch on your mic and ask a question. Siddharth is a media student and he's an editor. He loves Western music and anything that's major and trending. Sid, please unmute yourself and ask your question. Name the player and then go ahead.
Okay, so my question is to Quinton. So Mumbai Indians is the most successful team in the IPL. So how do you plan to keep this streak going? What's your plan?
I think it's a pretty simple answer, to be honest. I think it's just to win from here every game. How are we going to go about it? I'm not too sure. We always chat about it in meetings, but pretty much the standard thing is obviously just to win games. Intensity, I guess, is what we're really good at. So we just have to keep up with that. I'm sure we'll be all right.
Awesome stuff. That was Sid. Siddharth is our winner from Radio 1 Mumbai. From Radio 1 Pune, Yash Tosalkar. And I'm sure Nathan and Quinny and Rahul will enjoy this. Yash used to play competitive cricket at the under 16 level. Unfortunately for him, unfortunately for you guys, he gave up. He's 32 today. And he loves Mumbai Indians. He's an absolute cricket fanatic. Yash, who would you like to ask this question to? And go ahead.
Sure. Hey guys, my question is to Nathan. Nathan, what's your favorite Mumbai street food? And other than that, is there any particular song that's looping in your mind today?
My favourite Mumbai street food? Well, being in the bubble and not being allowed to get out in the street, I haven't had the chance to try any street food, but when I do, I'll definitely let you know. I don't know what that is. You know, what is it?
No food.
Street food. No street food. Not fine, darling. What was the second part? Songs. No, I don't really listen to the radio. I'm more of a what's it called? Alternative music kind of guy.
Come on. So you don't listen to all that great Aussie music, Jimmy Barnes, Kylie Minogue, In Excess?
Not recently, no.
Not recently. Okay. Next winner is from Radio Nasha in Mumbai. Rohit Shah. He's a writer. He's a comedian. And here we go. Rohit, who would you like to ask? And go ahead.
My question is for Rahul Chahar. Rahul, मुझे आपसे पूछना था कि Mumbai is one of the biggest teams in the IPL and like जिनका fan base ना सिर्फ मुंबई ना सिर्फ महाराष्ट्र and not even just India पूरी दुनिया में है, but फिर भी वो एक local connect, एक जो local language के साथ भी जो एक connect है वो कैसे maintain करते हैं? Like जो fan base है, it just loves it for everything that the team.
एक्चुअली कोई मराठी में यहाँ पे ज्यादा बात नहीं करता है, सब हिंदी में ही बात करता है, बट समझ में आती है। इतने साल हो गए मुंबई में खेलते हुए, मुंबई में जब रहे थे हम 2018-19 में, तो काफी समझ आने लगी। आपस में कोई मराठी में बात करता है तो समझ आती है।
चलिए, अच्छी बात है और सीखते जाइए। Anuj Rawal, he's our winner from Radio 1 Mumbai. You just heard Rohit Shah from Radio Nasha Mumbai. Now let's go with Anuj Rawal. He's 25. He's a young college professor. He's also pursuing his PhD in mathematics. So he's got a head full of numbers. Anuj, who you like to direct your question to? Go ahead.
My question from Quinny. How does it feel to play without an audience, but knowing that millions of hearts are watching and vibing with you?
To be honest, in the beginning it was pretty weird. It's quite quiet. Obviously on TV you guys can hear fans. Then when we play out there, we actually hear nothing but ourselves. So it's a little bit weird, but kind of gotten used to it. Obviously, we still understand as Mumbai, there's a massive fan base, so I think that still keeps us going and motivated to try and win as many games as we can through the bats.
Cool. And we've got Vinisha Shah. She's only 19. She's a media student. Big fan of Rohit, the Hitman Sharma. So she's obviously praying that, you know, he's just sat out one game and he's going to be playing more games. Go ahead, Vinisha. Who would you like to direct a question to?
Hi, guys. I would like to ask to Rahul, what do you guys do when you're not playing? Like, how do you all chill in UAE?
Just Netflix, YouTube. In the bubble, we don't have many options.
What's your favorite Netflix show? Sorry?
Money Heist.
Money Heist. That's awesome. Bella Ciao. Great stuff. Okay. Thank you very much for that, Vinisha. Now we're going to go in and get you guys to give out your comments. Yeah, this is not a question. When I call your name, unmute yourself. And if you have any message for the Mumbai Indians, one family, as part of being the MI Paltan, please send out your message. Arjav Patel, he's in the fabrication business. He's been a fan since 2012. He loves Jasprit Bumrah. Arjav, would you like to say something to the Mumbai Indians and these three players?
Yeah, just good luck for the remainder of the season. Really excited, looking forward to it. Let's hope for number 3. Go Mumbai Indians.
Awesome. Go Mumbai Indians. Number 3. Can we have Sharvari? Would you like to say something?
Yeah, hi Mumbai Indians team. We are super excited to see you this IPL season, and I wish you all a very best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Roshan, can we have what you feel?
Yes, I would just want to wish luck from MI family, full MI family.
Full MI family, you want to wish them love.
Yes, and I hope that will be winning for hat-trick.
Of course we'll win. Arnav Anandmani is actually our youngest person on the panel today. He's only 16 years old. Arnav, would you like to say something to Nathan, to Quinny, and to Rahul, and to the rest of the Mumbai Indians?
Actually, there are no words for them. I would just like to wish them best of luck for this season. And I would like to see a hat-trick for Mumbai Indians. That's all. Thank you.
Awesome. Dr. Rohit Singh, thank you for joining us. Would you unmute yourself, and any message for Quinny, for Nathan, Rahul, or the rest of the team, please?
Yeah, sure. Hi, people. So, looking at the different conditions here in Dubai, I am wishing all you a very best luck and go ahead and grab the trophy again. Wishing you all the very best.
Lovely. Harshit, can we have your message either to the three of them or to the team, please?
हाय एवरीवन, मैं बस यही कहना चाहूंगा कि मुझे पता है कि बॉम्बे मुंबई इंडियंस जो है वो जीतने वाली है फॉर श्योर। बस राहुल से कोई एक मैसेज था कि राहुल, आपकी जो हेयर स्टाइल है वो सबसे कूल लगती है, तो आपके हिसाब से आपकी टीम में सबसे कूल हेयर स्टाइल किसकी है?
क्या बात
है, मेरे सामने किसी की नहीं है।
इनके सामने सब फेल हैं भाई साहब। तो मैंने पहले ही कह दिया था, ये हेयर स्टाइल के लिए उतना ही जाने जाते हैं जितना कि बॉलिंग के लिए। Just to translate that to Quinny and Nathan, Harshit was saying Rahul's got the best hairdo in the team, and does Rahul like anybody else's hairdo? And Rahul goes, no, I don't like anybody else's hairdo. Mine is the best. So Quinny and Nathan, you guys have to start working in your hairdo now, or your hairstyle. Go to the salon and things like that. क्या बोले जी? फिर से बताइए।
मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि मुझे क्रिस्लिन की हेयर स्टाइल पसंद है काफी।
क्रिस्लिन के तो बाल ही नहीं है, तो वो तो है ही बाल ब्रह्मचारी जिसे कहते हैं। That's a good one. Aryaman, चलिए, anything that you'd like to say to the three players or the team at large, please?
I would like to wish Mumbai Indians all the best for this another retention of the IPL trophy.
Wonderful. Listen, guys, these guys are on a tight leash and they've got to go. Quinny, Nathan, Rahul, thank you very, very much for joining us. And just before you go, we'd like to give you a big cheer, Mumbai Indians style. Guys, we're going to do a Mumbai Indians cheer. 1, 2, 3. Mumbai Indians! Mumbai Indians! Mumbai Indians! Mumbai! Not as good as the 1KDA, Nathan and Quinny and Rahul, but good enough for us radio listeners. Thank you very, very much for your time. I'd like the listeners to stay back. And thank you very much, Rahul. Thank you, Nathan. Thank you, Quinny. Best of luck from all of us at the Fever Network, from Radio 1, Radio Nasha, as well as Fever. Bye-bye. Cheers. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, that was quite something. Rahul seemed to be the chulbula one amongst all of them. So let's get all your reactions. Rohit, what did you think? You know, Quinny seemed a bit serious. Rahul seemed to have a lot of musty and fun. Why don't you give me your reactions at meeting the players?
I think like Graeme Smith also said that Quinton de Kock is the smiling assassin, is the silent assassin. So he's just like generally quiet, and then when it comes with his bat, he just like expresses himself. So वो एकदम वो है कि Rahul is just like, you know, nutcut on the field, nutcut off the field. It's where that vibe comes off. So it's a lot of fun.
Sharvari, I know you need to rush. Oh, I was going to ask her.
Also, since we are doing this, I wanted to also say I'm a really big Rohit Sharma fan, and we share the same name. Has nothing to do with it.
Okay, I believe you. Sharvari, did you have a good time? I hope you had a good experience. That's all I want to know.
I did. This was excellent. But thank you so much for involving me.
Well, I have to say this, Sharvari. You're the thank God for you and Vinisha. You really are the prettiest people on this panel.
Thank
Otherwise, we boys would have really let down the network in terms of good looks. So stay beautiful. Thank you very much.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Cheers. Yeah. अनुज क्या कहना चाहेंगे, कैसा लगा आपको, मजा आया?
एकदम जोरदार, एकदम मजा आ गया। मुझे बहुत कुछ बोलना था उनके लिए, ऐसा चीयर अप करना कि उनको पूरा मन करे क्या यूएई तक चला जाए उनके
यूएई तक। क्या बात है, क्या बात है, धमाल है। चलिए अच्छी बात है, और ऐसे ही मतलब प्रोत्साहित करते रहिए उनको, हाँ, जोशो जोश और जोशो खरोश के साथ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अर्नब buddy, you're the youngest guy, what did you think?
I was very surprised when I got the news that I could meet Mumbai Indians virtually. I would actually like to meet them in reality, so I could be cheering for them. And thank you, it was a very good experience. Thank you to you also.
चलो इंशाल्लाह अगले साल अगर ये पैंडेमिक ना रहा तो जूम से निकल करके आपको डायरेक्ट मिला देंगे, हाँ? I have to tell you that a few years ago we did this meet and greet face to face, and I remember taking this lady to meet Bajji, to meet Harbhajan Singh and Mitchell McClanahan, the big Kiwi, and Hardik, and we had gone to the Oberoi in town, and she literally broke down, started crying in out of emotion. Dr. Rohit Singh, thank you for joining us. I'd like to know your opinion on Rahul, on Quinny, and of course on Nathan, and your feelings on this, please.
Yes, it is a very good experience to talk to them and to wish them. It is a wonderful experience. I have never had this experience before. Thank you, Radio 1, for giving me such an opportunity. Thank you. Lovely.
Sid, thank you so much, Dr. Rohit Singh. Sid, you were one of the lucky ones who got to ask a question, and you asked it very well. Your feelings on meeting these people, and how are you feeling about this meet and greet?
It's still kind of actually unbelievable for me that I am doing this, but yeah, it was great. I just want to thank Radio 1 Mumbai for this experience, and I'd like to say that I loved Quinton's haircut. Yeah.
Well said. Arjav, you're a man of few words, but you said what needed to be said. What are your feelings? How did you feel meeting the guys?
It was a wonderful experience. The only thing better is flying off to Dubai and meeting them. So hopefully soon we can plan that also.
Of course we will, buddy. Of course we will. Yash, like I said, you're the only competitive cricketer having played at the under-16 level. What did you think of this experience? Felt good?
It felt awesome. I mean, we all know what Mumbai Indians can do. But on the other hand, I want to thank Radio 1 for the real opportunity. It was fantastic. You guys rock as well. And having this opportunity now, the benchmark is much higher. I think next time you guys are going to take us for a match and get us to meet with the players. Probably after the match, the party that they have, or any kind of an opportunity to meet the players. That would be awesome.
Will do, brother. Will do. Hang on. Harshit, कैसा लगा? बढ़िया सवाल किया आपने, और चहर ने भी मस्त जवाब दिया. बताइए.
राहुल के हेयर स्टाइल का तो मैं शुरू से फैन हूँ, तो आज उनसे लाइव मिलने का मौका मिला. शायद हो सकता है जिंदगी का एक ही मात्र मौका हो ये जिसमें हम मिल पाए इन लोगों से. तो थैंक यू सो मच रेडियो 1 ये मौका देने के लिए. बहुत मतलब लाइफ टाइम मौका था. बहुत अच्छा लगा उन लोगों से बात करके.
अरे इंशाल्लाह बहुत मौके आएंगे यार, और मतलब फेस टू फेस में मिलके आएंगे हम लोग. आर्यमन, व्हाट डिड यू फील? कैसा लगा आपको?
It was actually a brilliant experience. I've been a cricket fan since my childhood, and it was a brilliant experience to actually get to interact with these people.
Dhaval, how are you feeling? What did you think of Rahul Chahar, Nathan Coulter-Nile, as well as Quinton de Kock?
Excellent, Rishikesh. It was a great experience seeing these people, interacting with them. It was great. Amazing experience. Thanks a lot.
Roshan, you got Messi behind you, man. Does that mean you're a bigger football fan than you are a cricket fan? Just joking. How are you feeling?
मैं तो आज तक स्टेडियम में भी नहीं गया हूँ देखने के लिए. आज पहले बार लाइव सेशन में उनसे बात करना बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था.
अरे सर, आपको स्टेडियम का हम VIP सेक्शन में ले जाएंगे. चलिए.
Thank you.
Vinisha, how are you feeling?
I think that was absolutely amazing. Like talking to the favorite players from the favorite team is just so excellent. Like loved it.
And next time we're going to try and get you to meet your favorite, which is Rohit Sharma. Thank you very, very much. This couldn't have been possible without you guys. Lots of love. Cheers. God bless you. Stay safe and healthy. Yeah? Bye-bye.